Good morning students. 7th class science. We were reading chapter acids, base and salt, chapter number 5. Now, firstly we have read about acids and bases. How can we tell that anything is acid or base? By taste them, like I have told you firstly that acid, these are sour in taste, and bases that are bitter in taste. But each and everything we can't taste. Some acids are harmful for us, some bases are also harmful for us. So each and everything we can't taste. Then without tasting, how can we tell that anything is acid or base? We can tell it by the use of indicator. What are the indicators now? Indicators are the substances which tells us anything is acid or base. It is used for testing the substance. See, there is given definition to test if a given substance is acidic or basic. Special kind of substances are used. That substances are called indicator. To test the acidic or basic solution, we are using special kind of substances that are called indicators. We can also say to them acid base indicator. Why we can say to them acid base indicator? Because these are used for identifying an acid or base. That's why we are saying to them acid base indicator. A substance that changes its color when added to the acid or base, that are called acid base indicator. We can write its definition. This definition also we can write. Now there are two types of indicators. First is natural indicator, second is commercially, or you can say synthetic indicators, which we are preparing in laboratories. That are synthetic indicators which we are getting from nature. That are natural indicators, and synthetic, these are prepared in labs or in laboratories. Now, which are the natural indicators? There are four natural indicators: turmeric, litmus, China rose petal, or red cabbage juice. These four are natural indicators. And synthetic indicators: phenolphthalein, litmus and methyl orange. Means litmus, that we can count in synthetic also, natural also. Now we will read about firstly natural indicators. First is litmus. From where we are getting litmus? From the lichens. Lichens that are occurring on the plants. See, lichens on the tree. These are present on the trees. From that trees we are getting lichens. From that lichens we are getting the litmus. So from where we are getting litmus? From the lichens. Then in distilled water, its color is purple. Means simply that litmus is purple in color. But when you will add acid in that litmus, then it will change its color red. When you will add base, then its color will be blue. Litmus, firstly it is purple in color. Means normally it is purple in color. When you will add acid solution, then it becomes red. When you will add basic solution, then it becomes blue. Litmus is available in form of solution or in form of strips of paper also. Means it is, see there, that is a litmus solution in form of strips of paper. Red litmus paper or blue litmus paper, in form of strips of paper also we can get the litmus. This was our first naturally occurring indicator. Second indicator is turmeric. What is turmeric? Haldi powder. At home we are using it. haldi powder, that is called turmeric. This also we can use as an indicator. Haldi powder, it is yellow in color. You all seen that haldi powder, it is yellow in color. When you will add acid solution on haldi powder, then its color will remain same. There will no any change in color. It will remain yellow. But when you will add basic solution on turmeric, then its color will becomes red. There are given some activities to test different types of indicators. You can read these activities. Next is China rose indicator. What is China rose? China rose, it is this is a type of rose which we are getting from the plant rose flower, that is China rose indicator. China rose indicator is normally pink in color, but when you will add it in acid solution, then it will becomes magenta, means dark pink. When you will add basic solution in it, then it will becomes green in color. Now question is that how can we get the China rose solution? China rose mainly it is occurring as a flower. How you can get China rose solution? How you can convert this into indicator? Take some petals of the China rose flower, then put that petals in the warm water. In warm water you can put the China rose petals, then stir them properly. It will becomes pink in color. That pink color solution is a China rose indicator. This solution you can use as a indicator. These all was natural acids, natural indicators. Now we will read synthetic acid base indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange, these are synthetic indicators. Phenolphthalein, this is mainly colorless. Normally it is colorless, but when you will add this phenolphthalein in acidic medium, in acid solution, then also it will remain colorless. But when you will add basic solution, then its color will becomes pink. Methyl orange, this also we are getting from lab. We are preparing that solution in labs. Methyl orange, it is orange in color. When you will add acid in that methyl orange, then it becomes red in color. When you will add base, then it will becomes yellow in color. Thank you.